Thank you for joining me today. We're going to be installing Sterling Ensemble shower pan base, and we're going to be pairing it up with the Oatey 4 1/4 inch PVC no caulk drain. My sister and brother-in-law are doing a tub to shower conversion, and they already took out the old tub and all the tile and walls. And we're going to start by trying to get the drain to line up to the new shower pan. All right, let's go. Turn this up. Something like that.
Close?
Too high.
Too high?
Mm-hmm. It'll be there, and we're already level with the floor, and we still got to put 2-inch pipe. Yep. Okay. We're just gonna cut it and start over. It's supposed to be 2-inch anyways, so we're gonna go 2-inch trap, 2-inch drain, since we got a 2-inch here. I'm gonna cut this long first though, to be safe.
Yeah. Oops.
That's it. Now we gotta build it all back up. So we had to run to depot, get 2 2-inch traps, some couplers, and a 22 degree. We got some 2-inch pipe. So we were gonna try to convert it from 1.5 to 2. We're just gonna do it the right way and just use 2-inch. Pan we're putting in is gonna be 30 by 60. I think down here it's a little bit tight, like right at 60. The next part is pretty much trying to get this drain to point straight up to match the shower pan. Alright, the pan's right at that 60 mark, so it's gonna be a tight fit. Might have to hit that stud back a little bit. Exactly 30. The drain's gonna be at 14 from the back wall, 8.5 off the front wall. Let's see where 8.5 is. Right here. 14. Right here. Pipe has to come way over here. I think we're gonna have to put a coupler, add some pipe, something like that. Push the trap out, or the trap's out here, and then twist it like that. Yeah, this pipe looks nice once you scrub it with the pad. A little bit of dirt right here. Oh, it's coming off. Alright, so we're gonna put the coupler here, extend it out, and we should be in the range of somewhere around here. What is this? Blue Monster. No primer. This pipe's actually not that dirty on the inside either. Like I thought it'd be nasty.
Yeah.
Just twist it. About a 1/4 turn. Alright. Go 8.5. Of course the pipe's gonna be able to twist just a little bit. Still I gotta be perfectly close. Like this lines up exactly with these lines and these lines at that angle.
Costs so much.
Yeah, I bet a lot of it's just because they gotta do a lot of digging, touching all that poop and pee. Got the pipe marked at the angle it goes. We're gonna end up about right here. I'm gonna go with the whole inch. With this inch gap, 3/4 in this hole, 3/4 in this hole, 2.5. So we need a 2.5-inch piece. Alright, so 3/4 into one pipe, 3/4 into one pipe, 1-inch gap. I'm gonna probably make it a little bit shorter. 2 3/8. What do you think? Let's do a little quick test fit. Right on top. Oh no, that looks pretty good. Yeah, I think that's good. I'm gonna go with that. Hopefully I don't get this mixed up. Alright, where's my 3 marks? Right there. Right there. It's like 8 3/4. It's close.
The new houses?
Mm-hmm. Like for the tub, do they put 2-inch? I don't know. Yeah, that's 8.5. And that's 14. That's it. Yeah. Try to glue it in and cut it. I'll cut it first. What do you think? Something like keeping what's in my left hand. Not bad. This last piece in. think I could get it lined up perfect on this one. And put the nice side in there. Factory cut. Alright, let's see if I can get this. That's 14. Man, that's good. I'll say try to put some rocks on the very bottom of it.
Yeah.
You know, so when we push down later or we do some cutting, we need like some bracing on this side. And Oatey PVC shower base drain. Right here it's going to be tight on the wall and right there. But I think here we have enough room. We could probably like cut that if we have to. But all this has to happen anyway. So what kind is this? Just regular plumber's putty. Rubber, washer, and nut. I don't know if we really need this. Hopefully we don't crack something. I think that's tight enough. Yeah, that's a nice little seal. Watch out, babe. Let me see. Let me try to do it. I think we gotta just hit it out the way.
It was 59.
Yeah, it's almost 60. It's not 60.
It's like 59, I remember.
I'm gonna mark it so we see where we started. That's it.
Try this.
Yeah, real good. And really, it's just in the back corners. Yeah, just needed like a 1/4 inch. After you screw it all together, you still just put some silicone on top.
Oh, okay.
So this was even with the drain, and it says go about 3/4 of an inch down. This step is pretty important. You saw how we put the shower pan on with some extra piping. And I took a Sharpie and I marked right where the drain was flush with the piping. And then I measured the piece of rubber, the O-ring seal, and I measured how many threads there were. And it seems like 3/4 was the exact measurement where everything was going to seal correctly and have enough threads to be really tight. Double check. I think that's where we're going to cut it, a little bit under that line. Yeah, and it looks like I put the tape pretty straight around it. Yeah, we're just going to have to go for that. We do got some play whenever we do go to tighten it. I think we can move it a little bit. Sawzall is just a little bit too much angle to get a straight cut. A little bit low here. I don't think it's gonna cause a problem.
So you have to put concrete in the bottom of yours, Carlos?
I didn't.
No? Oh.
It's a lot of times when I think when you're putting it on like wood floor,
Yeah.
or something that's uneven, but this foundation's really flat.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna put some soap on here and install it.
What?
Mm-hmm. Let's see if this goes in there. And here I'm using 1.5 inch PVC just to kind of get the drain a little bit more lined up. It was a little bit tight, but it does fit. No, I think that ended up being a really good fit. If we can get this thing tightened. I think we gotta work it and then kind of wiggle it and work it and wiggle it and we'll get it there. I think we only got like. What if this tool falls in there? That would suck. Yeah, maybe clean it with alcohol right here, and then put silicone right around here just to make sure. I have some in my truck.
Yeah.
But this is actually, I think we're almost there. And in total, I think it took 3.5 turns where everything was fitting really tight.
That's lock.
Well, I mean, that's as far as I can go anyways. The tool's starting to hit the pipe right here. But I think that's the way they want it though. They want the pipe to be even with this thing, with the ring. Some people don't even put this right here.
Oh, no?
They just put silicone under it instead of putty.
Yeah. So what do you think is better, the putty or the...
Well, they're both about the same. The silicone probably,
last?
I mean, it lasts a long time too, but sometimes you could take apart those old showers And the putty's there from like 50 years ago.
Hey, good dada. I go.
Thank you.
Me.
And the last step is just take these clips, stick them on there, screw it into the studs. But really the shower's not going anywhere. It's really sturdy without any kind of mortar under it. It's because it had a really good foundation of concrete under it. And with the pan installed, it's still accessible to get your arm around the back. And if you want to hand pack any more concrete in there, or any kind of reinforcement. And it does recommend a mortar bed if you're using it on a wooden subfloor, or you don't have a slab where it's like exactly flat and level. Alright, I hope this video helped answer some questions, or maybe a tip or two in there that might have helped out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.